How to delete chats in Character AI. So since in CAI there is no direct option to delete your chats, there's only the archive option, but you do have technically another option to technically delete your chats. So let's say we are going to get rid of the chat we have with Noah over here. So what you're gonna have to do once you press on the profile is just press on start a new chat. So just go ahead and press on start new chat. You don't have to do anything else. So once you do that, it's gonna do a little reset for that specific chat. Then you'll see it pretty much went back to how it was in the first place. Then at that point, just go ahead and long press the character that you did that on and press on hide character. But it's still going to be over here to be chosen run, but basically the chats has been removed. But that's pretty much how you delete chats in Character AI technically. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.